Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring your Apple ID is signed in and iCloud storage is sufficient. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Turn on iCloud Photos so pictures sync. Once done, enable iCloud Backup and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and power source. Make sure background app refresh is allowed. This triggers the first transfer and avoids interrupted uploads. You're preparing the device to upload originals instead of only thumbnails, which saves time later when restoring. You now manage sync specifics to ensure all photos transfer. Open Photos and scroll through recent shots to wake the sync process. If items aren't uploading, pause then resume iCloud Photos in Settings or toggle it off and on to requeue files. Make sure Settings Photos uses download and keep originals if you need full quality backups. Once done, give the phone time on Wi-Fi. Large libraries upload gradually and may need several hours, so plan for continuous power and network stability. You finish by confirming the backup completed and addressing failures. In Settings under iCloud Backup, you'll see the last backup time. Verify photos show in iCloud. If a backup fails, free up iCloud storage or temporarily export photos to a computer or external drive to secure them. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS and retry. If problems persist, connect to a Mac or PC and create a local Finder or iTunes backup. This gives you a full copy in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.